see how like making it more concise and then adding a little more detail at the end makes it really clear? Because before it was just kind of a little bit uncertain. I had to do a little bit of guessing work, but now it's like right on. Okay. So then my other question is that you go immediately from talking about distributing power, and then you go immediately into your source. It talks about the concept of precarious employment. But then there's a jump that goes from here to here.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Right. I don't know what else I would say.
What about this sentence that you have right here?
Okay, should we just switch them, do you think?
Well, see what happens when you switch it to. So maybe start from reading the top, and then go into your quote, and we'll see if it works the way you put it there.
Gender rather than employee skills.
What you might end up doing is shifting around the structure of the sentence or reordering your ideas.
So put gender concept is a solution that I don't know what I would say.
Well, let's take another look at the sentence that was right before it. Maybe that'll help. Well, you just finished talking about how they think that they can do things better than women.
Okay.
And that contract is a way to give women the opportunity to do well in the same jobs as men, even though they're expected to do not as well.
Okay.
Right? What I've been doing is we've read through each paragraph.
Okay.
So for you, it might be a good idea to read through one paragraph at a time.
Okay.
And when you're done with one paragraph, stop.
Okay.
I'll read through a paragraph and I'll stop, and then I'll write down, the purpose or the main point of my paragraph is to do what. Okay?
Okay.
I explain what that is.
Okay.
Then, once you've written down one sentence, go back and read sentence by sentence and say, okay, does this sentence here help my readers understand what I want them to understand based on what I just wrote? Will my readers understand why I've gone from point A to point B, or sentence 1 to sentence 2 to sentence 3?
Okay.
Can they really understand that?
Okay.
Or is there a jump there?
Okay.
Does it sound like I'm listening? Maybe ask yourself that. Due to the problem of equalizing power, this is an example of that introductory clause, the introductory part of a sentence.
Okay.
That makes a signal or sends a flag to your reader that says, oh, I understand why this writer decided to go from this sentence to this sentence. So that'll help you build bridges between your ideas.
Okay.